Go on, you can't get touch. I feel you get touched, brother. Someone there I'm going farm. You see one in a black coat?
I'm gonna come out in the space.
What's that one there? He might run like him all.
Nothing like Annie, but him look like him have something in hand, is it?
Yeah. The next one with that running, I see him hoodie like that. He might hold. Watch the police them. Watch them police them.
Them not go this one.
Watch them. Action live up the same way.
Watch
them now. All the woman they don't look like she feel like carry no. A wrong face.
Your friend betray you and it cut like razor. Your girl bone you and it shock like taser. Me say blood splash, teeth slur, slur. Simba say girl touch me now, no blind guy. I say girl don't be nice. You never friend betray you and it cut like razor. Your girl bone you and it shock like taser. Me say blood splash. But me have another baby mother rod. My compass is just the way to overload. I feel the pressure, believe. Now love they would say she's a mother. Now I'm better than a fight. Don't me have another baby mother rod. My compass is just the way to overload. I feel the pressure.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!